Crafting a delicious veggie stir-fry. Creating a delicious veggie stir-fry is a colorful and nutritious way to enjoy a variety of vegetables. You will need 1 bell pepper, 1 carrot, 100 grams of snap peas, 1 broccoli head, 100 grams of mushrooms, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Start by washing all the vegetables thoroughly. Slice the bell pepper and carrot into thin strips, cut the broccoli into small florets, and slice the mushrooms. Heat the olive oil in a large wok or frying pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add the minced garlic and sauté it until it's fragrant. Add the sliced bell pepper, carrot, snap peas, broccoli florets, and mushrooms to the wok. Stir-fry the vegetables for about 5 to 7 minutes until they are tender crisp. Drizzle the soy sauce over the vegetables and toss them well to coat them evenly with the sauce. Continue to stir-fry the vegetables for another 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together. Serve the veggie stir-fry over cooked rice or noodles and enjoy a vibrant and flavorful meal full of vitamins and minerals.